my phonics superheroes and my reading superstars, welcome to day 20 of my Phonics Boost. Day 20. Can you believe we have come that far together? I am so proud of you. Well done. And I hope you're seeing a boost in your phonics skills and your confidence too. But we've still got some more to learn. So, phonics brains on, superhero listening ears turned on, and let's get started. So my phonics superheroes, you've been doing these sounds for quite a few days now. I'm not going to say them. I know you know them. Off you go. Do you think you can do it quicker? Are we ready? I think you can do it even quicker. You ready? Amazing! Now we're not going to forget these sounds, just you. I think you can do it quicker. Excellent. Now I'm going to put these sounds with these sounds all together. Are you ready? Excellent, well done. Now we're not going to forget these sounds. I know you know these ones. Want to hear you? Off we go. Excellent. I think you can do these quicker. Well, I know you can. Excellent. And of course, we're not going to forget these ones as well. You ready? I know you can do these ones quicker. Excellent, well done. Now, the sound that we're going to focus on today is the V sound. And the V sound is a long sound. V, V, V. Let's practice saying it. V, V, V. Excellent. Now we've practiced saying the sound, let's find some objects that use the V sound. Right, phonics superheroes, inside my magic box, I've got some objects that start with the V sound and some that don't. And I need you to help me sort them out. Are we ready? It's happened again. My magic box is empty. I think we need some phonics magic. Can you remember our magic spell? That's right, we say hocus pocus, phonics focus. Are we ready? Say it together. Hocus pocus, phonics focus. Let's see if it worked. Phew. So I'm going to bring the objects up. Yes, if it starts with V. No, if it doesn't. Are we ready? Van, yes. Lemon, no. Can you see this one? It's a vet, yes. Rocket, no. Vest, yes. So I'm going to put our objects back inside our magic box, and then this time we're going to go much quicker. I still want you to tell me yes if it starts with a V sound, no if it doesn't. Are we ready? Excellent, well done. Now we're going to move on to our oral blending. Right, phonics superheroes, for our oral blending, we need our superhero listening ears turned on. I'm going to sound out each word and I want to hear you say it. Are we ready? V, a, n. Van. V, e, t. Vet. V, a, t. Vat. Now a vat is a huge container that carries liquid like oil. Well done on your oral blending. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words. Right, my reading superstars, for our new v words, I'm going to sound them out first, then I want to hear you joining in. Are we ready? V, a, n. Van. Your turn. Van. V, e, t. Vet. Your turn. Vet. V, a, t. Vat. Your turn. Vat. Well done. Now we've done them together. Just you. Van. Vet. Vat. Excellent. Are you up for a challenge? Are you ready for a challenge word? Our challenge word today is vanish. Now, vanish means to disappear. And in our challenge word today, we've got a digraph because two letters are making one sound. The letters S and H together are making the sh sound. My turn first. V, a, n, I, sh. Vanish. Your turn. Vanish. Well done. Your turn again. Vanish. Excellent. Right, now it's time to rewind and go over some words we've been looking at for the last couple of days. Now, because we've done these ones, just you. Log. Leg. Excellent. Now we've done this one a couple of times. Let me see if you just know it. I'll be ready. Hat. Right, want to hear you. Hat. Excellent. Now, our new tricky word today is she. 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 Excellent. Let me see if you can remember the tricky words we've already been looking at. He. They. Of. Excellent. Don't worry if you didn't know them. Let's go over them together. He. They. Of. Excellent. Now let's put our new word in. Can we remember? She. Right. He. They. Of. She. Excellent. Well done on your reading. Right, my phonics superheroes and reading superstars, you are nearly at the end of day 20. Amazing. But before we finish, we're going to go through our sounds and we're going to play our little game. Are you ready? Excellent. Do you think you can say them a bit faster? I think you can. Do you think you can do it even faster? You ready? Excellent. Well done, you. Right, I'm going to take some away. Are we ready? Which one's missing? Which one was missing? Excellent. Which one am I going to take away now? Are we ready? Which one was missing? Excellent. And let me see which one we're going to take away now. Are you ready? Which one was missing? Well done. And that's it. Day 20. Finished. Amazing. I am so, so proud of you. Well done. Give yourselves a great big pat on the back and we're going to say 1, 2, 3. Well done me. Well done you. And I can't wait to see you again tomorrow. Bye.